Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my kitchen for Easter and spring, bringing out some of those Easter bunnies and Easter eggs, but I'm also going to be using a few different pieces that I haven't used in the past and stepping outside my comfort zone a little bit. So let's get into today's video. This year for my spring kitchen, I thought I would bring out these beautiful pieces of silver that were passed down from my mother-in-law, and I am so happy I did. I was thinking, why am I hiding these away? They are gorgeous and perfect for the kitchen since they're teapots, and my husband helped me polish them up. Look how beautiful they are. So I'm so happy to be able to put them out and display them and enjoy them every day. All the items I'm using in this corner are things that I have had in my home for a number of years. I honestly don't remember where I got that little wreath from. The bunny is from Michael's a few years ago, and of course you saw me just polish up that silver. And these beautiful dishes are also passed down from my mother-in-law, and I think they're perfect for spring. The delicate little flowers on them and the pinks and the blues and the yellows I think are just perfect. And I added in some Easter eggs, which are actually from, I believe, the dollar store. Again, I've had these for so long, but the colors of them just went so sweetly with these dishes. Now on my coffee station, I don't have a big area. I keep it on my counter. That's the best place for it. It's just my husband and I, so we don't need a lot of space. So I kept my tea canister out on this tray, and I'm just bringing it back some more of those dishes and another beautiful silver teapot. And then I'm going to be adding in some little bunnies and eggs and greenery just to tie everything together. How sweet is this little spoon? I found it in amongst all the silver downstairs, and it is just so sweet to add into this little dish for the sugar. This little bunny is a dollar store find that I've had for a number of years. The greenery is just little picks that I've pulled off a garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. You've seen me use that garland throughout my home through the different seasons. And the carrots that you see me using are also from the dollar store, as well as the eggs and the little pink flowers that I will be adding on the other side. They're all dollar store items, and I've had them for a number of years now. I know this style of decorating isn't for everyone, but it is what I love to do, and I really encourage you to just do what you love and not compare yourself to anybody else. I am enjoying having these pieces out. They're part of our family history, so why not enjoy them? And to tell you the truth, when my daughter came over on the weekend, she loved the look of the silver and wanted to take some pieces home for herself, for her own home. I thought that was just so sweet. Now over on another counter on the opposite side of the room, I'm just bringing back this cutting board. I actually painted it black. I believe I got it from IKEA a number of years ago. And now I'm just going to add a candle stand and place another silver dish on top and pop in one of my all-time favorite florals, just a pink peony. And this little sign I got from a local artisan store near me. Another little green bunny to tie in to the other corner. and some more carrots. And then this little display will be all complete.
To make you feel like I do. And just for a second,
Over here beside my stove, I tried to keep it pretty functional. This is a working kitchen. I've said that in many of my kitchen decorating videos. It is a working kitchen, so I do need certain things out on the counter. My husband likes it that way. So I thought I would just bring back this little stand here with my olive oil and my salt and pepper, and keep my utensil crock there, and then add in a bunny and some carrots just to tie everything together. This little bunny is also from the dollar store, and he is the soulmate to the one that's on my coffee bar.
I am right here doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
I brought back another cutting board to act as a backdrop to the crock. I just felt there was just too much of the backsplash showing, and I thought it just needed something else. And I think this turned out so sweet, considering this has to be functional. Just adding in a little bunny and some carrots just gave it that little Easter festive touch that I was looking for. Going to move on to the eating area of our kitchen and our kitchen table, and I have had this table runner. It's a beautiful blue and white color. I've had it for gosh, I don't know how long, and I love it, so I thought I would bring it out. And some white placemats. These are vinyl. Not a fan of them, but to be honest with you, I have not found any placemats or napkins that I absolutely love to have for Easter this year. I don't know what it is about our stores up here. I can't find anything. So then I thought I would bring out these beautiful, beautiful dishes from my mother-in-law. Again, the flowers on them just scream spring and Easter. They'll take me right through Mother's Day and into the summer. I think they're just gorgeous. And then I had these white napkins. Yes, I probably should have ironed them, but that's all I had on hand, and I thought, well, I'll just put them out anyways for now. And I just did a simple little roll up, nothing too fancy. To the center of the table, I'm going to add in this blue pedestal bowl that I've had forever, another silver teapot, and then some more of these beautiful pink peony flowers, and I am going to add in some pink tulips as well. I believe all of these were purchased from Michael's a number of years ago. But the thing I love about having the teapot here is I can fill it with water and add in fresh flowers at any time, and I am so excited to do that. I just didn't have any on hand this day when I decided to do all this. But won't it look gorgeous with fresh flowers in it? My husband is a creature of habit, and he loves to have his napkins on the table. So I thought, why not make them a little fancy and add a silver tray onto the table and place them inside. And then around the teapot, I thought it just needed a little bit more embellishment, so I placed some more of that green garland there. I took another silver tray and added in some salt and pepper shakers that I found at Walmart, and I love that they have pink and blue flowers that ties into all the pink and blue on the dishes and on the table runner. And then this little guy I got from a very good friend a number of years ago. He used to be filled with candy, but let's be honest, all that candy is certainly gone by now. And then just to finish it off, I added in some more greenery. The final thing to be added to this table is a couple of hand-painted glasses, which my best friend did for me a number of years ago. I love these. They're beautiful, and I think they are perfect to add to this Easter spring tablescape. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you got some spring and Easter inspiration to add into your kitchen, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. My husband is so thrilled to see us using his mom's dishes and her silver. And if you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a great week.
The depth of your